entering into a mall, shopping and dining is never going to be the same again. As shopping malls in the city of Bengaluru are all gearing up to open for public, we see all the standard operating measures are being right now followed. We see the preparations are all in full swing. There is sanitization happening, fogging happening, and to also show you what really are in place is this blue stickers which have been pasted on the floor just before you take the escalator. You can clearly see that it mentions kindly maintain a distance of 2 steps. So there are about at least 4 to 5 stickers that have been pasted on the floor. This is just to maintain social distancing. Also, to give you an idea, just on the railing as well, they have pasted another information: kindly avoid contact with sterilized railings. Now let's also go to the ground floor to understand what really are the measures that are being taken up. What we see right behind me is especially sanitization that's been happening. So since morning we see there was fogging. Right now sanitization is happening of the escalators, and also we see every 30 minutes even the restrooms and elevators will also be in fact sanitized. Now this is the standard operating procedure that will be followed for the next couple of months, especially in the mall in Bengaluru. We also hear from especially the mall, the shoppers, what we see, what they're going to experience is that it's never going to be the same again. If a person will have to step into a shopping mall, they will have to mandatorily wear a mask. They have to maintain social distancing, and the one most important step over here is Aarogya Setu app. Now that is something that where you have to download only if it blinks green, which means you're fit to enter the premises of a mall. Now joining me is Manu, the technical manager over here. Let's also understand what are the other measures taken up by this particular mall. Yes, Manu, if you could tell us what are the kind of measures that you'll have put in place right now. How are you going to manage the crowd? Because remember, before we saw at least about 30 to 40,000 of footfalls on a usual day. Now how are you all going to do that?
See, coming to the crowd control, we do have a footfall counter installed in our main entrance.
Right.
So we do have a check on the number of people entering into the mall. So we can by adhering to all the social distancing measures, at a time we can handle around 4,000 crowd, 4,000 to 5,000. So that we will have a close watch, and that's how we ensure that we will control the crowd entry inside the mall.
Okay.
And secondly, while coming to the measures, what we have taken a lot of measures in terms of the thermal screening. As and when you enter into the mall,
right,
the thermal screening will happen. So whenever there is a person's temperature goes beyond the prescribed range, then we will have a different protocol for that.
Okay.
And then as and when they come inside, as you can see, there are social distancing measures has been given, and this escalator, touch points and all that, we have UV sterilizer installed, and the lift, the number of persons can travel at a time is restricted to 5. These all the safety measures.
So how often will you all keep sanitizing the area?
See, it ranges from the common touch points like escalator, handrails, or any other common touch points. We do it in every 15 minutes,
Okay.
ranging from the deep cleaning of restrooms in 1 hour, then the air conditioning filters in every 4 hours. So it ranges from, and the parking areas in every 1 hour. So it ranges from 15 minutes to a 4-hour kind of.
Well, thank you, Manu, for that. Clearly, he's making it amply clear that these are the standard operating procedures. Plus, we also see that they have put up some of the banners over here to also ensure that people read and understand the importance of maintaining social distancing, wearing masks mandatorily, and also remember to also eliminate risk. The lift also will be operated by a lift operator. Now, these are some of the areas where we understand, especially the lifts, the common touch points like Manu pointed out. So across, in fact, Bengaluru, we see this is the standard operating procedure taken by them. Also, like I did point out, only if you have downloaded the Aarogya Setu app, and if it blinks green, only then will you be allowed to enter shopping premises. With video journalist Pradeep, this is Shrija reporting for Mirror Now in Bengaluru.